I do if I were a car content creator and I was starting over at day one. So after 8 years of doing this and making some decent money doing it, being able to live and enjoy my passions, I'm going to kind of lay it out for you guys. Hopefully this will help some of you avoid any mistakes like that I have made or that you could potentially make, and I don't know, just give you a leg up to be more successful faster. First of all, like content creation in general is like any other business. You have to treat it like one. You constantly have to feed the business. It takes time, man. So have realistic expectations and don't think it's going to happen overnight. You need to build this thing up. Sorry. You got to build this thing up like your baby. You know what I mean? It's going to take time, but all things that are worth anything take time and take sacrifice. With that being said, I would pick one platform and I would go extremely hard at it. I would not be trying to diversify as much as humanly possible. When I first started out, I was mainly on YouTube. I would post some things like here and there on Instagram, but like I was all in on YouTube. 3 to 5 videos per week, just pounding it. If I started over today, I would probably be all in on TikTok. I know that sounds like crazy, but just hear me out. Short form content, with whether you like it or not, is where it's at. It's here to stay. People's attention spans are absolutely cooked, and there's no easier, faster way to grow than TikTok. I also think that making short form content, you can sort of disperse that on all of these different apps. So YouTube has YouTube Shorts, Instagram has Instagram Reels. Sorry, I'm like driving manual right now in this car. And TikTok has TikTok. And so you can sort of rewash and reuse a lot of the same content that you make for TikTok on Instagram and YouTube. That's what I do. I mean, you can go look at my YouTube Shorts. They're all just like my TikToks, just repurposed. I call it rewashing. And I do the same thing for Instagram, dude. I use the same thing for Instagram Reels. Obviously, I try to make specific content for each platform, but if I were first starting out, I would just be focusing on one thing. I don't think it's wise to try and do everything at once. You're just going to become overworked, you're going to get burnt out, and you're not going to enjoy it, inevitably. Or maybe you're just like a freak and you will. Good for you. That's awesome. Most people, they'll get burnt out and they won't enjoy it. So pick one thing that you really enjoy. If you enjoy longer form content, then make YouTube videos. It's just really hard. It's very difficult to make good YouTube videos that convert, that people will watch. It takes a lot of time, and just the money isn't very good. Like, when I say money, I mean Google ads, right? So like when they play ads on your videos and you get paid out for that, it takes a long time to get monetized, and the CPM is not great. Like, you just don't make that much money doing it. There's far better ways to make money when it comes to content. Maybe you don't care about money, but this is for people who are trying to like make a living doing car content. Also, on the side of making your car content, get into affiliate marketing. I know I say it all the time, you guys. Affiliate marketing is going to be the easiest way for you to make supplemental income while you sleep. It is passive money. You literally make money on the parts that you sell, the things that you sell on Amazon Affiliate, ECS Tuning, Turner Motorsports, Keys Motorsports, all of these different companies. Any big automotive company has an affiliate program. If they don't, ask them to make one. If they're making money, you're making money, everybody's happy. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's kind of my mindset with it. Affiliate marketing, TikTok, and then, you know, look into things like TikTok Shop affiliate program where they have tons of automotive parts, detailing. If you're into detailing, that's a huge market for that. You want to diversify as much as possible when it comes to your affiliate earnings, because if you look at like Amazon affiliates, it's terrible. Like, it's like 4%, 6%. It's trash. The TikTok affiliate, I mean, you can get up to 20%. You're just going to make way more money with your content. And if you're going to spend a lot of time working hard on your content, just make sure that you're getting your money's worth out of it. You know what I mean? So that's kind of where I stand with it. And like I said, you can rewash that content onto YouTube Shorts, on Instagram Reels, and you can make a boatload of money, you guys. I'm just telling you, like, get out there, dude. Start filming yourself. Get comfortable in front of the camera. Look at what is working for other people. Replicate it. Turn it into your own thing. And get inspired. man, and get motivated, because like it's out there, and it's not, I'm not special. Anyone can do this shit, bro. Like anyone can do this. You just gotta want it bad enough. So it's not hard, it's simple. Just get out there and freaking do it. I'll see you guys tomorrow video.